I need you to stop what you are doing right now. Not in a moment. Not after you finish scrolling right now. There is something trying to reach your soul that only comes once in certain seasons, and today marks the end of that season. This is not drama. This is not manipulation. This is the final call, and I need you to understand the weight of what that means. Out of thousands of people who will see this message, only a few were meant to recognize it at this exact moment. One already scrolled past without sensing what was in front of them. Another is watching with you right now, and you are the third person I am reaching through this portal today, and this door closes in exactly 8 minutes. After that, the opportunity transfers, and this specific chance will not return to you in the same configuration. I have been calling your name for more than 4 months now, not through one voice, not through one message, through people you did not realize were sent, through doors that closed when you expected them to open, through delays that felt like rejection but were actually redirection, through that voice inside you that asks questions you cannot ignore. Your guardian angel filed a petition at dawn this morning because the window for your breakthrough is not just closing, it is about to lock, and delay is no longer protecting you anymore. It is costing you more than you understand. Every second you hesitate, something that was meant to be yours slips further away. Every moment you tell yourself you will deal with this later, you are signing an invisible contract with stagnation. This is not a message designed to frighten you. It is a message designed to wake you up. If this resonates with you, like this right now, do not scroll further without acknowledging what you are feeling in this moment. Like it now, I know why your first instinct is to move past this. You have spent years learning to protect yourself by staying distant from hope. You have trained yourself to expect less so that disappointment feels familiar instead of devastating. You tell yourself that if you do not listen too carefully, if you do not open yourself to possibility, then you cannot be broken by false promises. You have postponed critical conversations with me so many times. How many times did you feel the pull? How many times did you sense me drawing near and then step backward? I counted. I have been keeping record. In the past 3 years alone, you have recognized my invitation 123 times and then walked away. Not because you do not care, not because you do not want the breakthrough, but because you are afraid of what answering might require, afraid of what you might have to change, afraid that you are not strong enough to carry what comes next. And I did not walk away from you. I remained close even when you stepped back. I kept speaking even when you stopped listening. But today is different. Today is the threshold moment. What you can access right now will not be available tomorrow in the same way. Not because I am cruel, but because seasons change, windows narrow, doors that stood open begin to close. You are standing at the point where delayed obedience becomes misalignment, and I cannot let you move forward from this moment unchanged. Neutral is not an option. If you move past this without responding, you will drift further from where you are meant to be anchored. If you do respond, if you stay present with what I am showing you, everything begins to shift. Do not let this sacred moment of destiny pass you by. Your breakthrough is waiting. If you desire to deepen your connection and never miss what heaven is releasing over your life, join Archangel Michael's inner circle through the exclusive link in the pinned comment. Whether by buying a coffee, making a donation, or becoming a member of our community, you know exactly what I am talking about because you feel it every single day. You wake at odd hours in the morning, maybe 3 in the afternoon or 4 as the sun rises. And there is this restlessness that you cannot name. Your body is rested, but your spirit is unsettled. Your circumstances seem fine on the surface, but underneath there is a quiet ache that has no clear source. You go through your routine checking boxes and completing tasks, but nothing feels aligned. You have become very efficient at surviving, but somewhere you stopped thriving. Small things disturb you more than they used to. A conversation from weeks ago still plays in your mind at 3 in the morning. Someone said something that you would have dismissed before, and now it loops endlessly. You second-guess decisions that you used to make with certainty. You ask for opinions on things you once knew instinctively. You change your mind 3 times before you finish breakfast. This is not punishment. This is not me being unkind to you. This is what happens when your spirit knows that you are drifting from your true alignment. When distance from your purpose creates discord in your soul, you smile at work, but drive home in silence, questioning everything. You give advice to others that you cannot follow yourself. You encourage people toward breakthroughs that you have stopped believing are possible for you. And deep beneath all of this, deeper than you tell anyone, you know that something is asking for your attention. Something in you is desperate for a conversation with me that you keep postponing. There is a war being waged against your mind and against your clarity. Forces have been specifically assigned to cloud your judgment and keep you confused. 7 systems of deception have been working overtime to make simple decisions feel impossible and to make you doubt what you actually know is true. They understand that if you ever become clear about who you really are and what you are actually called to do, their entire assignment over your family line is finished. This is why confusion feels thicker in your life than it does for others around you. This is why the weight feels heavier. This is tactical spiritual warfare designed to keep you stuck and unable to move. But at exactly the moment you began reading this, something shifted in the heavenly courts. A ruling came down. The verdict was unanimous. The sentence was immediate. Enough. Your confusion has a termination date, and that date is now. The authorities that have been assigned to cloud your thinking have lost their legal standing. Their access to your mind expired at the beginning of this day. The fog is lifting right now as you read these words. The heaviness is breaking. Clarity is flooding in, and I am releasing it directly to you. You might feel pressure in your chest as you read this. That is not anxiety. That is your spirit recognizing a divine appointment and preparing to receive what is about to be released. You might feel heat moving through your hands or warmth in your body. That is activation energy, your physical form responding to the frequency of heaven itself. You might find tears appearing without you understanding why they are there. That is your soul releasing years of suppressed knowing. Pay close attention to what you feel in your body right now, because that is me confirming to your entire being that this moment is real and this message is meant for you specifically. Comment right now the words "I am listening." Do not wait. Do not think about whether it seems strange. Just write those words in the comments, because that is your declaration of presence. That is you saying to the heavens that you are showing up and you are ready to receive. Angels are positioned in the comment section waiting to see who speaks those words, because that signals who is serious about ending delay. I have been trying to get your attention through many different channels, through thoughts that come suddenly and will not leave your mind. Thoughts that ask questions your heart cannot ignore. Thoughts that make you pause in the middle of your routine and wonder why you feel so unsettled, even though on the surface everything appears to be functioning normally. You have tried to explain those thoughts away. You have convinced yourself that it is stress or your imagination or simple coincidence. But it was me planting seeds of awareness. It was me awakening deeper knowing within you. It was me inviting you to look beneath the surface of your life. I have been speaking to you through doors that would not open when you expected them to, and through opportunities that slipped away, and through relationships that shifted. I have been speaking through the slowness that frustrated you. You wondered why progress felt glacial. You asked why answers felt so distant. You questioned whether I was even listening, but I was speaking through every delay, saying, wait. I was using every closed door to protect you from paths that would have cost you more than you realized. I have seen every moment you almost reached for the breakthrough, and then pulled back. I have counted every hesitation, but now the pattern has to end. Now the cycle breaks. What is available to you in this moment carries weight that extends far beyond just your own life. Share this with the person who came to your mind while you were reading. Do not hesitate. That person needs to hear this message in the same way you needed to find it today. Listen carefully to what I am about to tell you. 4 people have already experienced breakthrough through responsiveness to what I was calling them toward. David from Phoenix is the first one I want to tell you about. He felt my call for 11 months straight. He knew something was shifting spiritually, but he kept delaying, kept making excuses, kept telling himself that he would respond when circumstances felt easier and more stable. He said he was waiting for the right timing. He was waiting for more financial security. He was waiting for his mind to feel clearer. He was waiting for a sign that was so obvious that he could not possibly miss it. But I was already speaking. I had already given the sign. I was already moving on his behalf. Then something broke inside him. A moment of clarity struck, and he could not deny it anymore. He committed fully to listening, instead of continuing to hide in the safety of uncertainty. Within 4 days, the internal pressure became so intense that he could not ignore it anymore. The discomfort of staying in delay had finally become greater than the fear of stepping forward. He took the step I had been asking him to take for nearly a year. His hands were shaking when he did it. His voice was uncertain when he spoke it out loud, but he did it anyway. Within 3 weeks, his entire trajectory changed. Opportunities that he thought were permanently closed and locked forever suddenly opened before him. Favor that he had stopped believing was even possible for him began manifesting everywhere around him. Relationships shifted, doors aligned, resources appeared. This was not luck or chance or coincidence. This was the natural consequence of obedience finally meeting divine timing. Linda from Charlotte is the second example. She postponed her breakthrough for 2 full years. She knew with absolute certainty what I was asking her to do, but fear kept her frozen in place like ice. She told herself she was not ready. She told herself she was not qualified. She believed that she was too broken from her past to walk in the calling I placed inside her before the foundation of the world. She told herself she needed more training, more healing, more preparation. She needed to be different before she could step into what I was calling. Then something shifted deep within her. She stopped running. She made the decision to listen instead of continuing to hide. Within 11 days, she took the first step, even though her body was shaking with overwhelming fear. She moved forward in trembling obedience. Within 6 weeks, she was walking in the very calling she had been sprinting away from. Can you imagine that? 6 weeks, she went from running to fully stepping into her destiny. Favor followed her into every room. Provision met her needs before she even had to ask. The anxiety that had been her constant companion for years was finally replaced with deep peace and quiet confidence. She discovered that I was faithful even when she was not. I was present even when she was afraid. Marcus from Austin is the third story. He spent months watching others step forward while he stood safely on the sidelines. He convinced himself that someone else was more qualified. He believed his moment would come later. Then he felt something break in the heavens and understood that waiting had shifted from protective to destructive. He responded. Within days, everything around him began to shift. The opportunity that seemed impossible opened. Within weeks, people around him were asking what changed because his whole presence had transformed. Maria from Tampa is the fourth. She ignored the whisper for 9 months. She could feel my direction clearly, but comfort felt safer than embracing change. She knew what needed to shift, but taking action meant disrupting her stability and stepping into the unknown. She enjoyed her routine even though it was slowly killing her spirit. She preferred the familiar pain over the unfamiliar risk of transformation. Then she made a decision. She stopped ignoring and started responding. Within 17 days, circumstances shifted so specifically and so undeniably that she could not deny I was moving on her behalf. The relationship she thought was permanently over was restored. The health condition that doctors could not explain started reversing. Clarity that had been missing flooded through her entire being. She walked into a season she thought had already passed. These are not isolated cases. These are not exceptions. These are examples of what happens when delay ends and obedience begins. When someone finally decides that the cost of staying the same is higher than the cost of changing. When someone chooses growth over comfort. When someone chooses obedience over fear. Subscribe to stay connected to what I am releasing next. This is not just another subscription. This is you positioning yourself to receive the next wave of clarity and breakthrough that is coming. When you subscribe, you are telling the heavenly realm that you are serious about transformation. You are signaling that you are ready to move. When I say move, ring the bell. That notification will be the reminder you need in the exact moment you need it most. Messages will come that build directly on what you are receiving today. Angels are watching to see who subscribes, because that reveals who is ready to stop postponing and start responding. Subscribe right now. Your breakthrough is not coming as a single moment. It is coming as a series of aligned steps. It is coming as doors that open where they were previously sealed. It is coming as clarity that makes doubt impossible. It is coming as direction so clear that hesitation becomes foreign to you. May your mind clear until confusion becomes physically impossible. May decisions come with peace instead of heaviness. May direction announce itself so loudly that doubt has no space to speak. May every door that is supposed to open begin moving before you even knock. May opportunities pursue you, instead of you pursuing them endlessly. May favor precede you into every room. May you walk in such certainty that second-guessing becomes completely unfamiliar. May right people cross your path at exactly the right moments. May connections form that accelerate everything I have placed inside you. May relationships align that support and sustain the calling on your life. May financial breakthrough hit you so suddenly that you check your accounts twice, wondering if it is real. May provision come from sources you never expected. May debts be canceled. May increase multiply in every direction. May abundance flow through you so completely that you become someone who gives from overflow rather than scarcity. May you walk in such complete provision that generosity becomes your greatest joy and your signature. May your body respond to heaven's frequency instead of earth's limitations. May strength return to places where it faded. May energy restore to your spirit and your flesh. May pain that has been a constant companion finally leave. May healing manifest in ways that doctors cannot explain. May every cell of your being align with divine health and wholeness. May sickness flee and strength return. May restoration be so complete that people around you cannot help but notice and ask what changed. May your children walk in breakthroughs that you have prayed for. May your family line shift because you stop delaying. May generational patterns break. May curses cancel. May blessings multiply for generations you will never meet. May your yes today echo through time in ways you cannot yet imagine. May your legacy be marked by this moment when you decided that delay ends here. Remember this feeling. Remember what moved in your spirit as you read these words. Remember the decision you are making right now. The season of delay is finished. The time of hesitation is over. You have crossed the threshold. Heaven has responded to your readiness. Angels are moving on your behalf even at this moment. Darkness that was assigned to you is retreating. Your timeline has shifted. Your trajectory has changed fundamentally. This is your new reality. This is the moment everything changes because you stopped running from what I was calling you toward. Do not let this sacred moment of destiny pass you by. Your breakthrough is waiting. If you desire to deepen your connection and never miss what heaven is releasing over your life, join Archangel Michael's inner circle through the exclusive link in the pinned comment, whether by buying a coffee, making a donation, or becoming a member of our community. In the next 7 days, watch what happens. Watch what shifts in your circumstances. Watch what opportunities begin appearing. Watch how differently you feel. Watch how much more clearly you hear my voice. Watch how confidently you move through decisions that used to paralyze you. The door is open. The time is now. The breakthrough is manifesting. And you will never be the same again.